Sit. Sit. Paw. Good boy. I miss you. I know, I'm sorry I'm busy. I'm sorry, but you get to chill in this room after it's done. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, puppy. Oh, you're... Oh, give me a kiss. Thank you. The last piece that I'm gonna have to work backwards. You know what? Just because.
Consultation to answer your questions and give you the support you need to take action.
I think. Yeah, that's my line. Perfect. Alright, this should be the correct size. Yep, perfect. Alright, now thankfully for the back half of the room, that's the last awkward piece. Everything else gets installed. That's behind me gets installed like a regular freaking floor. I think it's time for a 10-inch 1+ miter saw montage. My radio keeps going out, so it has 75% left in the battery, which is plenty. It's been running for like about 4 hours, but every 20 minutes or so it keeps cutting out, which means that the two AA batteries, the two AAA batteries inside are dead. Dead and dead. These are dead. Which means that let's get two new ones. Which means that the circuit keeps on breaking, so it's no longer a working radio. So all you got to do is change out if this keeps cutting out on you every like 10 to 30 minutes. Change those batteries out, because this does require having those batteries in there and working. So now this should not cut out for turn itself off for another couple of months, depending on how often you use it. So that's that. Alright, so this is the last piece I gotta do. Are you big enough? No, you're not. For just this end, then I gotta do the closet. It is 28 inches, 2 1/4 by 2. So 2 1/4 by 2. Alright, so I need 28 inches. 28 inches is right there. Oh, I don't even have the freaking bag on. Are you serious? It's 2 1/4, just like that. Now, hopefully this is right. That might be perfect. And that is. Now, before I make this cut, I gotta put that bag back on. Might be able to cut that. Battery life is still good. So this is 3 1/4 inch wide. That's 3, and then that's 1/4. There we go. Alright, so I'm hoping that this was a one-cut wonder. Oh man, that's way too short. Alright, hopefully this is the last time. 3rd attempt. I think we got a winner. Hi, Poppy. I know you feel neglected. I'm sorry. All right, what I got done past couple days is, I know, Poppy. I'm sorry, but I'm working. I'm sorry. It's okay. I got that. That looks fantastic. All up to here. Got all that done and into the closet. So. Only thing that looks bad, but it's inside the closet, is that, which I'm really not too worried about. Hi. So yeah, it looks good though. It looks good. So what I'm going to continue on is this closet. I know, Papa, you want my attention. I know, I'm sorry. I've been busy the past couple of days. I'm sorry. Give me kisses. I love you too. Ow, ow, ow. You got to cut your nails. Alright, so what I got done is all that's left. We'll go get a threshold today so I can put that last piece on. This in here is done. I got that little gap. I don't care about that one either. It's a small garage, small closet. But what I got to do is I cut these off, so we got to put these back on. And luckily, since I use Ryobi products, it's going to go on with no time at all. Just like that. Put it upside down. One done. Now let's do the other. A little bit more. There we go. Done. All right, that is cut. Good enough. That's on there tight too. Very good. Perfect. This one's for this side. Perfect. Gonna caulk that. Ooh, that didn't mean to do that. Alrighty, those are back in place. Okay, you guys, I know, I'm sorry, you guys. I know, it's very loud. I know, I'm not spending time with you guys. I'm sorry. Got a battery for a couple of things. Just about right there. To about right here. Something's right here. I'm gonna need to smash that in. Alrighty, that should be that. Alright, that one in. So now what I gotta do is I gotta clean up. The wife should be home soon. And yeah, it looks good. And it looks continuous. Everything is straight. What sucks is I still have to install every inch of shoe around the baseboard. Needs so much work. And right now, what I'm doing is the bare minimum for the interior of the house. Wife just picked up tile. Before I can continue the floor there, I got to install the tile here because I'm going to have it go all the way to the wall. Multi-job. Like the bathroom needs to be gutted out, redone. The kitchen has a ton of work that I need to do in it. You know, the floor needs to continue under the kitchen. Not even going to talk about the work that needs to be that's going to be outside. So I've got the radio, the batteries changed out inside the radio, and I forgot to bring this inside to listen to. So I've been working in silence for like the past 4 hours. Ryobi Rebels is doing good. People are joining. People are able to see it now. And so, yes, right now I got to clean up. I got to clean up shop, see if I can get done before the wife gets home. But for now, I am done. I will be continuing work on the house Monday, I think. So yeah, this is David Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.